we had four positions available, and we got it filled thankfully before the babies came.
Let it.
Alright, so I have a theory that I need to meet the babies looking sharp. Right now, I am not looking sharp at all. If you know me, this for me is like really high here. And I just look unkempt, I feel unkempt. I can't meet him too. They don't know me. They may feel a connection to Tina. She's the mother. And then she have breasts. That is like her bonus pull for them. She'll be feeding them. So they'll have a connection like easy. But me now, I'm just like this random guy meeting for the first time after 9 months. Hey dude, I'm not going to see a lot, but I just want to make a good first impression. And nothing wrong with that. So I'm going to go and get these locks trimmed and get a line up again and look nice and fresh for when I'm going to meet these two lovely girls. As far as we know, it's girls on Monday. So excited. So let's see the transformation. This is me now. And this is after. So look like Tina husband again. Look like I can be somebody father come Monday. Yeah, I feel presentable now. Get my shave, locks gone, things shaved and line up and things. Anyway, going to make a quick run to the supermarket to get some stuff for Tina. When she's at the hospital, she's going to want some snack and little water and them little things there. So going to do that now. Then I tell you about the new staff that we're going to be hiring. We're going to be hiring quite a few more persons. Our family getting bigger, so we're going to be hiring some staff to ensure that we are not burnt out. So there's at least 3 or 4 different positions we had filled. So we're going to share that with you now. But first, supermarket, and then I'll make you know what I'm going for the other part. So come now. Alright, just come back from the supermarket. So, as I said, I was going to get some stuff for Tina to stay. Well, mainly for Tina, some stuff for the house as well. But she's going to be at the the hospital, for some days recovering. So, wants to make it as comfortable as possible. Got her a few stuff, like this Grace Instant Power, just things that she can get. And in between meals, she can help herself just fever something and them little thing there. Of course, I'll be back and forth as well with, I don't know what she want. Like, I'm not going to say KFC because she shouldn't be eating fast, but she's going to feed for something nice, I guess, after all that work that you're going to put in. So I'm just going to oblige her whatever she wants. But she have some stuff here, some cup, I don't know if I buy right, some cup soup, a cinnamon roll, tea. So she'll be going with a little thermos thing that can keep her hot water and all them things. So she can help herself with whatever she need between seeing me and having meals. She can snack and so. So yeah, back home, we have a lot to do tomorrow. So you'll be on the road with us tomorrow. So let's go. Morning. So today, as I said, it's going to be a very busy day. COVID test at UE, blood bank. That's about it. Sorry, I don't think it's going to be that busy. That's all I have to do.
Well, we might make a stop at Azan's to pick up
a
couple of
few
things,
stuff, but
and then do the final, put in the final everything in the bag.
I think
my going home clothes.
Okay.
I'll show you guys what I packed.
So yeah, it's an okay day. We'll have things to do. So
dinner. We figure out dinner.
That's like an
And
everyday thing.
lunch.
That's an everyday thing though.
Me have to think about my food.
Not really. I normally think about food.
Well, I have to make sure that you're on top of it.
Okay. So first up is COVID test.
After that is blood bank.
After that is blood bank. This is Tina waiting at the UHWI. No, I'm looking for UHWI sales. I can't find any. She on here. Yeah, waiting here to do her COVID test. Nervous?
Kind of.
You'll be okay. Better you than me.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
It hurt. It sting. They put the swab up my nose, the two nostrils, and then they took another swab that went on my throat. So my nose is still burning me. And I think it's still running. But that's what you got to do.
Why are you nervous?
A little bit, because I people, you hear people talk about the pushing anything up their nose and
Into your brain.
and all these things, but the person who did the test was competent, so I didn't have any bleeding or any issues like that. He just said, "Don't move your head," and that's it. It went well.
You will do it again?
I hope I don't have to do it again, but if I have to do it again, I would do it. I'd do it again. What you gonna do? You have to do what you have to do.
Okay.
Back to you. Happy birthday to my baby.
Signing out. Bye bye. Blood bank time. So going to do my part now, drop in a unit for the youths them. I've only done this once before, so I'm not like a pro at this.
So here we are. I'm waiting for Paul, who has gone to donate blood, and I have had to reach for my new best friend, Daika, because of all the heartburn that I have been getting lately. So yeah, I'm gonna take this. I've had breakfast this morning. I'm gonna take this, and chances are I'm gonna have to take it again after lunch, and I have to take it at bedtime. And I'm hoping that when these babies are delivered, I can break off this relationship that I've had with Daika. Anyway, outside of that, when did you know, so today is Paul's birthday? Today is Friday the 16th, and it is my baby's birthday. So unfortunately it has become overshadowed a bit by, you guys know, we're checking into the hospital on Sunday for the baby's birth. And unfortunately even him forget this morning when he wake up, but as I go, we can celebrate after, you know, we have time. He tries to not make a deal of it. I don't know why, because he makes a big deal of everybody else's birthday, including mine and Hannah's and the babies. He just doesn't like to make a big deal of his own, but we'll see.
Alright. I don't know where to start.
What happened?
At the end of the day, I still got this, right? Got the receipt. So Tina can show that I gave blood on her behalf. Very nice service. Very nice service at the start, and You know, check my name, have you done this before? Yes, 2018. So it was fine up until the point where, so after that, after the introduction for registration, I went to check my blood type, but I guess she, you know, I did tell her, so she just put A positive. And I went to do my blood pressure test and she asked me, smoke, blah, blah, blah. But when I went to do the blood pressure test, I could look in the donor room and I saw this girl couldn't be more than 21. In the donor room where you go and lie down and they take the blood from you.
Mm-hmm.
I think my pressure go up same time.
Wait there, she was the one who was going to be withdrawing the blood?
Can you finish the story?
Me, I try to understand.
So there are rooms. So I went in a room where I would take the pressure, and I guess that's the last verification stage before you give the blood, before they draw the blood. So when I'm checking the pressure now, the girl somebody from the blood room, the donor room where you go and give the blood, came over and she couldn't be more than 20 little bit. And of course in my mind I'm like, why I come this day? I know I should have come this time. Tina tell me I must make it be last minute. And I said somebody going to be practicing on me, and I don't want to practice. And I said that she's not good at her job, but I don't want anybody new to be practicing on me. I love doing this. Anyway, when I finished my pressure, it wasn't her doing it. So she was just at the front, you know, I guess writing on like labeling stuff and so.
You know how ageist that sounds?
Yeah, I know. That sounds wrong, right?
It does. So anyway, so she was just what, like an admin person?
I didn't see her. There were two people putting in the actual IV, or whatever you call it, the connection to your vein. A male and a female. They're older looking. Not old, but older looking. But she wasn't the one doing it. She wrote my name on the vials and you know, label my bag A and then gave it to them.
Okay, but the process was fine though.
The process was nice and good.
Okay.
Nice.
It didn't take that long.
No, I don't have to enjoy doing this. Yeah, but I have to. So
drink some water.
Nah, good. I got a very, very, very sweet Virginia Dairy drink a while ago. So yeah, that's half of the list, and now to something else. Alright, so back home now, Tina already gone inside. But we got to do what we needed to do in town. Our COVID test and the blood donation. So, as promised, because me and Tina know that it's going to be more hectic with 4 children under 3 years old, we decided that we needed to get more staff. So, we're going to fill in on that now. So, we had 4 positions available. And we got it filled, thankfully, before the babies came. It wasn't advertised in the Glean or anything. It was headhunting, more headhunting than anything else. So here they are. The positions that we filled were, we added a chef, we added a nanny, a laundryman, basically just fold clothes. That's his skill. And finally, we thought it was important to also have a position for a toilet bowl cleaner guy. He do other cleaning stuff, but toilet bowl cleaning is really his thing. So basically, we're thinking that with these additions, the efficiency of our unit at home would be improved, and so things will be smoother. Or by way of notice, the other employee, we have one other employee, she's now on maternity leave. She has been on maternity leave for quite a while now. She's expected to end maternity leave on Monday. And as soon as her maternity leave is up on Monday, she will be right back in the thick of things. So these additional staff will have help. As I said before, the other staff member is a female. She ends her maternity leave on Monday, and she'll be back in office on Tuesday, picking up from wherever she left off. So that was just filling you guys in, letting you know what's up, and and yeah, going to show you now the final touches. We're going to show you the car seat that we are putting in. Nice comfy car seat to bring home the babies when that time is there. We're just making everything, doing all that from now, and Tina will fill in on her hospital bag to see what exactly she's taking. So see you now. Alright, so change of plans. Tina is sleeping, won't wake her up, but I can show you the car seats and what I have planned in terms of putting it in the car and the positioning, because that has always been a problem. These are the seats. These are the seats. This is one unit that we had from Leyland Zara, but then we bought this as an additional head support, and yeah, because basically the last time Layla and Zara were unable to fit, their heads weren't this big, they were very small, and so this wouldn't ensure that the babies have a nice little cushion for them head and them little body. So I'm going to put them in the car now. Yeah, so we really also want to thank God for bringing us through this incident free. The pregnancy was smooth, no gestational diabetes, no, what do you call that thing? Pre-eclampsia, no blood pressure problem, no nothing. And it's really a blessing, really pausing to say, oh God, thanks, thank you God for your favor. There's nothing routine about pregnancy, nothing. So many things can go wrong and nothing did. Thank God. Pray that He'll see us through to delivery. And yeah, so ready or not, this is it. The next time you hear from me and my host, we will have 2 more babies that God has blessed us with. And so until next time, stay tuned. Keep us in your prayers, and thanks for the support. And big up from me and my hopes. Take care, guys.